Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and box for February 2024. So two separate subscriptions. I'll put the box aside. I have not seen anything in the bag or box yet, so this is going to be cool. We'll be opening this together. So if you have your bag or your box, run and get it, and let's look at everything together. So taking everything out of the bag is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish. Here's the little list here. Check out their website where you can reorder. What I do is I pick out the ones I know I'm going to use a lot of, that I maybe need more than 50 of, because you get 50 beads per strand, and I ordered like 10 strands, so they have them in my stash. All right, let's take a look at them. Up we have burnt sienna, and that's beautiful. Reminds me of Arizona, of Sedona. So pretty. You know the color. Matte dark olive. Love it. Love the matte. And then we have travertine. So these all look like, like rocks or stones, like semi-precious gemstones. Isn't that pretty? And then here, light smoky topaz. That could be like a quartz. So here are your 3mm. Here are the 4mm, and they go so well with the 3s. I love that they're doing that. So we've got burnt sienna. Beautiful. And then we have jet green travertine or crystal fern. I'm not sure which one this is, but they're all gorgeous. Crystal fern, maybe? And then we have gold sage or green with copper wash, and that's green with a copper wash. They're pretty. And then we've got topaz luster or light topaz luster, so you get either one. Not pretty. Those are gorgeous. All right, here are all your beautiful fire polish beads. I have a coupon code I'll put up on the screen and in the description box below the video, so you can save a few bucks. All right, so let's get a look at the box. Let's take a look at the bead box. So this can be as low as $18.50 a month. It depends on the length of your subscription. In some cases, you get free shipping. It depends. You have to look at the website, so please check out the website. I love looking at their website. It's so much fun to navigate and hit the cutest little beads on there. All right, so let's open it together. So here we go. Here's our letter. And then here are the beads, all wrapped nicely in tissue. I'm just going to sort of do one of those and give you, oh, look how pretty. Oh, look at these greens. This is gorgeous. Okay, you know me and green. I absolutely love it. Oh, so pretty. All right. So February 2024. January certainly has been a crazy weather month. Yes, they're in the Chicago area, so they had cold and snow. I mean, it's been a crazy winter, it's true. So they have a charming offer exclusively for our Dollar Bead Box subscribers. Place an order anytime between now and midnight, March 31st, 2024, and save 10% off any items in our charms category. So they have the cutest charms, too. So here's the code for you. Here's all their social media. Here's the list. So I'm going to pull everything out and we'll get it. First up, we have these 6x6mm check glass 2-hole flat silky beads, bronze green. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love this. You get 25 pieces, and it just is such a beautiful color. I love that deep green and bronze together. And then we have a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle, smoky quartz, 25 pieces. Look how beautiful that looks together. Gorgeous. So we have a couple of fire polish. We have a 6mm check fire polish, jet green travertine, 20 pieces. And the whole theme for this looks very like stone. It looks like stone, some kind of, gemstone, semi-precious gemstone. So pretty. I love it. And then we have a 5mm check fire polish, jet green travertine, 25 pieces. So these two are the same color. I just love it. Gorgeous. Put a little gold O bead or ring bead in between to have that pop of color. So you can put, like, here's your 6mm, put 2 5mm on either side with the either a seed bead or a ring bead or O bead on the other side, and make a beautiful chain out of that. Gorgeous. Love it. Next up we have a 7x19mm check glass peeled olive bead, green with travertine, 6 pieces. Again, looks just like a stone. I love fire polish that are like this. They're just so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that peeled olive. I love it. And then we have a 5mm check fire polish in moss green luster, 25 pieces. You get 6 pieces with this, so it's a nice substantial bead. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at the sparkle on this guy. That's gorgeous. So here we go. Here are your strands. All right, so let's get a look at the additional items. Okay, let's look at the additional items. So we have a 6mm check glass abstract square. Boy, they're tongue twisters. Green quartz with vitriol. So that's pretty. It's like a cube. That's awesome. That's pretty. And then we have these 5x7mm Chinese star-cut crystal green vitriol. So I love the sparkle with that sort of, you know, quartz, that sort of green quartz looking. These all look like quartz beads, the more transparent ones, don't they? Love it. Beautiful check glass struck bead. This is gorgeous. I love all these beads that look like stones. I mean, it's such a wonderful way to get the look of a semi-precious gemstone. But it's check glass. So it's a 12mm check glass struck. Red travertino green. Of course, I have the green here, 2 pieces. Beautiful. A little pop of brightness with this check glass Baroque pearl in cream, 5x7mm. You get 12 pieces. So I love that we're going from, all these sort of stone-looking beads, gemstone-looking beads to a gemstone of the sea, which is a pearl. Isn't that beautiful? It looks just like a pearl, doesn't it? Like a Baroque pearl. Very pretty. Okay, next up we have an 8mm pewter filigree bead cap, antique brass. You get 6 pieces. Isn't that pretty? So will that work with, I bet you could put that right on this. Yeah, that would look gorgeous. At the end of this, one at either end, gorgeous. And then we have a toggle clasp. This is a pewter toggle, antique brass, 12mm. You get 1 set, and I love how everything is so coordinated. Well done. It's beautiful. Next up, we have an 8mm check glass melon bead, green with copper wash. So they're very beautiful. And that we've got a beautiful, the fire polisher, if you get both, where you can incorporate these colors into, with these beads. So they've done such a good job of coordinating here. So we have the melon bead. Did I say how many you get here? 8 pieces. And then look at this. This is an 8mm. This is a 5x15mm check glass large hole Celtic block. Light sage. I love that color. Again, it looks like jade. You get 6 pieces, and look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So I missed on my list the mother of pearl trefoil, 14mm. That's this guy with the 3 sides. Here's the hole goes down right through here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at can you see all the color on that? Mother of pearl. And then we have a 14mm check glass swirl button, beige opal, 1 piece, and that's a cool little check glass button. And it goes so well with everything. So all you do is add some seed beads and you can make anything with these. They're gorgeous. Okay, next up we have a 9mm check glass center hole, triangle smoke or smoky quartz, 10. So here's that. So, the hole's right in the center there. Oh, that's kind of cool. Again, that looks like it could be sea glass. And then look at this. This is why I was kind of chuckling a second ago. There's a little puppy paw charm. Isn't that cute? So this is from Tiara Cast. Let me pull it so you can see the puppy paw. There we go. So it's a 6x6mm Tiara Cast puppy paw antique gold plate. You get 2 pieces. So very, very cute. I love that. Hey, here you go. Here's your dollar bead box. Isn't that pretty? I love that they have everything the theme is like stones and pearls, kind of from the sea, from the earth. I just love it. It's so, so pretty. Just put some seed beads with these, any color, any metallic, and it just would be so, so pretty. And then here's your bag with all your beautiful fire polish. So, if you get both, you have everything you need. Just throw in a metallic seed bead in any color, and you can make anything. All right, so I want to thank you so much for being here, as usual. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.